tayo sa Utak Verde. So, ako po si Kleng. Ito po yung sikat nating
Si Manang
podcast host,
Lucy.
Manang Lucy. Nandito po kami today dito sa Tingi Station.
Ngayong araw po ay tayo'y napagbigyan ng ating special guest. Siya po ay co-founder, no? Co-founder and manager ng Tingi Station. Sa ngayon po, they have 2 branches. Is this the first branch?
Yes.
So this is the first branch. Ito po ay located dito sa Texon Street, malapit po sa post office, sa baba lang po ng post office. Surrounded po siya ng malalaking towers, but you know, it's
in Mega Tower 2
yeah,
kasi ma'am, diba?
actually, this is in Mega Tower. Okay? Sa ngayon, gusto ko naming ipakilala sa inyo si LK. Siya po ay napakabatang entrepreneur, no? So, LK, welcome to Utak Verde.
Thank you. Hello. Good day, everyone. Thank you for having me.
It's a
And
pleasure.
for this opportunity din, no, to share yung story namin and how we do about business and sustainability.
Yeah, kakaiba ho kasi yung tindahan nila, no? Yung tingi kasi na concept ay matagal na po nating nasa kultura ng Pinoy, no? So, eto'y nauuso sa mga kababayan natin na medyo salat sa resources, ano?
Hindi kaya ng bulk.
Yeah, hindi kayang bumili ng bultuhan. Siguro sa inyong mga sari-sari store, nakikita po ninyo, pwedeng bumili ng mantika, ng toyo, sa maliliit na amount, no? So, small amounts, tingi nga. Nang ibig sabihin pala ay konting hingi. So, mahaba pala ang history ng ng
part
tingi
na ng
sa
culture
atin.
natin, actually.
Yes.
It's part of our culture.
So, ano nga ba yung tingi station na to? How is it different from our regular sari-sari store? LK.
So, yeah, as mentioned po, no, na it's been part of our culture actually. Pero, but then again, as yun nga, modern times ngayon, yung culture na yun was adopted, pero naging through yung packaging, nagkaroon ng changes sa packaging due to for convenience, diba? Kaya naging in sachets, yung mga tinging binibili noon na pwedeng magdala ng containers, ngayon naging in forms of sachets. So that's what we wanted to address. Kasi yung sachets, syempre kung nag-pile up yan, di ba, everyday bumibili tayo. Yung small quantities sa lahat naka-plastic. Talaga magpa-pile up and it causes talaga huge amount of garbage, plastic waste. So yun ang ina-address ng Tingi Station. We wanted to still offer products in small quantities without the use of single-use plastics. Yeah, through bringing their own containers. Ayan po siya. So, yung difference niya sa
So yun yung
sari-sari
yung
store.
rationale po ng Tingi Stations to address yung plastic pollution. So
Yes,
para ma-reduce
exactly.
siya, 'di ba?
Yeah. So, ini-encourage po na i-recycle yung mga containers kung meron na kayo sa mga bahay-bahay ninyo. But, can you tell us a bit of the history of Tingi Station? Kailan ito nagsimula at
How did
bakit
you
nga ba? What inspired you to
come up with this
come up with this? Okay.
business?
So, Tingi Station opened January 2022.
Pandemic
Pero,
time.
yes,
Oh,
pandemic.
kakatapos lang ng anniversary niyo pala.
Opo, yes po. And we are on our 3rd year now. Pero prior to that, actually matagal na plano rin to eh. It's more than a year na, siguro 2 years before.
Incubation.
Yeah, parang talagang we had testing. Pero yung background talaga, of yung inspiration niya. Since lumaki kami dito sa Baguio, and we've seen how yung changes talaga sa pag-pile up ng garbage. Tsaka taga-irisan rin kasi kami. Kaya amoy namin talaga and we know the history yung trash slide. Until now, actually, sumisingaw pa nga din eh. Kahit more than ilang years na siyang
Na
nag-close.
hindi ginagamit.
Opo, meron pa rin talaga yung nagstay yung impact niya doon sa community and everything. And also, yung inspiration talaga namin is yung mother namin. She's talagang into zero waste. Hindi pa buzzword ang zero waste. Talagang they've been practicing it. Sa probinsya kasi, di ba, non-existent ang plastic. So, they have to mag-adjust talaga kung anong meron. So, we got that from her, yung lifestyle, I would say. And akala namin normal kasi yun eh, di ba?
Yun naman talaga yung
Oo, yun yung normal before.
Oo.
Pero ngayon na lumaki kami, nakita namin, yun nga, nawawala. Yung ganong practices.
Di ba ma'am, sabi ko sa inyo, parang nag-regress nga yung mga tao. Kasi mas eco-friendly yung buhay before,
Noon,
decades
yes,
ago,
exactly. Very,
kaysa sa
yung
ngayon.
impact talagang, low impact ang lifestyle noon.
Oo,
Diba?
very
Hindi tayo
true.
dependent on plastics masyado.
Yeah.
But right now, ayun nga, we've seen kung paano
Wasteful,
nag-shift.
no? Very wasteful ngayon.
We've seen paano siya nag-shift.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun, we just wanted to bring back nga ang old practices of
Yung value
low
ng,
waste, low impact. And kasi, yun nga, andyan ang overconsumption, na hindi mo kailangan
Ibili, no?
bilhin mo.
Bilhin.
Kaya yung tingin din, di ba? Kukunin mo lang yung kailangan. Kukunin mo
Yes.
lang yung...
It's not the usual business,
Right.
di ba? So, ano yung masasabi mong obstacles or challenges when you started Tingin Station?
Yun nga, since parang new concept para sa iba. Pero yung mga una naming customers actually, yeah, they've been doing it na din kasi. Pero yung obstacle nga is how to get people on board, other bigger, yung bigger market.
Bigger market.
How to get them on board kasi nga extra effort siya di ba? Ngayon, sa times ngayon, extra effort magdala ng sariling containers and
True.
yeah, talagang convenience yung kalaban dito. Convenience ng plastic,
Mabilisan,
pagbili.
oo.
So, yun, talagang kasama na dyan ang mind, yung pag-shift,
Oo.
behavioral
Yung
shift.
perspective mo
Yes,
sa
yes.
waste.
Pero we see it as an opportunity talaga. Kasi pag nakita nila yung store, tatanong na sila. Like, why, how, what. Ang dami na nilang tanong. And through that, di ba, nagkakaroon ng conversation and inspiration,
Na-appreciate nila, di ba?
appreciation to
Bakit
the
ako
store.
hindi? Bakit di ako bumili?
Maybe I
Di
can
ba?
start yun. Kaya doon na sila napapaisip na
I should start buying.
kahit isang product lang. Talagang mahirap po nung una kasi talagang bago sa kanila yung concept na parang bakit pa.
Never
ang dali
naman kayo
naman-
nawala ng pag-asa.
Never, opo. Yeah, we always
Naka
get
3 years na eh.
inspiration.
Naka 3 years
yeah.
na.
Hindi ka nakalain na. Yeah, we always get inspiration talaga from other people.
Price-wise, how does it compare with your regular package na products?
Yes.
Nasa grocery,
So,
sari-sari.
oo, na yung presyo nyo compared to those.
Yes.
Oo, how does it compare?
So yung prices naman, price-wise, competitive really. And usually cheaper. Opo. Kasi you don't have to buy. Kasi naman yung binibili din natin, plastic yung packaging.
Container,
May
yeah.
cost pa din talaga yun At yung cost na yun,
Yun ang hindi nare-realize ng tao.
na feeling nila kung bibili ka, let's say, 15 pesos na shampoo. Diba po? Tapos, pero kung inipon mo yon ng 10 days, ganun, mas mahal talaga siya. As compared if you will buy worth 10 days ng hindi naka-plastic. Ganun.
Tapos yung
Nagpa-pile
environmental
up.
cost niya, yun ang
Hindi,
mahirap.
hindi kinoconsider kasi.
Kakalculate.
Na
Mm,
may
diba?
cost. Yun nga, yung mga ginagastos
At
ng
long term
city.
yun. At long term
Opo.
yun. Yung effect niya sa
Exactly.
environment.
Opo.
Kasi hindi
That's true.
nila ramdam na it's not on them, but it's on the
Next generation.
city
Opo.
services and of course the
Oo,
environment.
yung mismo cost.
Yes po. And yun nga, dahil sa economic constraints here in our country, kaya syempre survival mode lahat ng people. So, pero price-wise, yeah, it's cheaper and competitive.
Oh, do you carry brands? Because yung mga tao kasi, ay
Minsan,
sanay
gusto
na ako
nila
sa
yung
ganito sa
Yes.
brand XYZ.
Yes.
Right.
Oo, so sinasabi nyo ba na brand ano to kaya lang iba ang packaging? Is that something that you mention to
Yes.
customers?
Yeah, usually, nung
Oo.
nagsa-start kami, they always ask
Oo.
brand. So, we explain to them that what we carry are small-scale manufacturers. So, local products.
Okay.
So,
Oo.
more or less, parang, kumbaga, same mindset yung mga...
Yes, exactly.
Oo, yung mga business
Opo.
owners
Kaya
na
medyo
sila yung
natagalan
pinagkukuhanan
kami
niyo.
maghanap ng to really look for
So, parang
suppliers.
sustainable, eco-friendly rin yung priority
Yes po.
products
Yes
ninyo.
po. Kasi we consider din yung content. Kasi usually
True,
kahit
yun nga
mura
eh.
siya, pero you don't know yung effect.
Oo.
Dami niyang chemicals.
Oo, marami siyang
Opo.
phthalates,
So we
di ba?
consider that din kasi.
Parabens, yung
Yes,
sabi nga.
exactly. So itong mga to is yan, paraben free.
Oo.
Yes. Until ko naman, masasanay din sila. May realize nga nila na yung benefits of supporting din yung mga local brands natin.
You started here in 2022. When did you open the branch? Na you have a second branch, right?
Yes po.
Oo.
Actually, Last year po, yung sa Maharlika.
Mm.
Pero medyo hindi kasi okay yung location nun since
Mhm.
mahirap hanapin.
Mhm.
Ganun. So, nung nag-open yung, may nakita kaming space sa Kayang, ginrab namin yung
So, kasi
So,
along the
opo.
road lang siya, straight.
Ano,
yes, mas
yung
kita
foot
siya.
traffic.
Opo,
Mm.
mas kita po siya.
Oo.
So, kailan po, I think July, if I'm not mistaken.
Last year?
Yes
Ah,
po.
that's very
July yung
recent.
sa Kayang. So, binibuild din namin dun yung customer base. Kasi doon
Oo.
naman iba ulit medyo different
Ang
yung market.
products.
Opo. Same products pero mas limited po kasi doon. So, we just
Ah,
choose yung mga talagang essentials.
Bestsellers.
Opo,
Oo.
and bestsellers.
So,
Oo.
ito, mas kumpleto dito.
Opo, I would say na mas madami.
In a nutshell, pakisabi sa viewers natin, paano yung refilling system ng Tingi Station?
So, dito sa Tingi Station, since it's a zero waste store, so we really encourage customers to bring their own containers. In that way, mas alam kasi rin nila yung kailangan nila.
How much
Though,
na?
how much, and yun, in-encourage namin talaga to bring their own. Then, they just choose for the product. So, ililess lang yung
Weight
bigat
ng-
ng container and
Mm.
just pay really for the product. Ayan.
Mm.
So, if ever naman wala kayong container, we have what we call our community
Yes, community containers.
Yeah. So, those are all donated and we just wash it and sanitize them for
Maybe I
reuse.
should bring my kwan.
Yeah, you can also
Dumadami na yan. Ano ko
yeah,
na.
we accept
Oo,
donations.
kasi we have a lot of,
ice
you
cream
know, I'm
tubs,
one
for
mom who
example.
keeps, plastic.
Yung mga
Opo.
food,
Kasi
ano yung
iba-
sa delivery?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, mga take-out
Ito pa nga to.
containers.
Oo.
Right.
Like,
Ganyan po.
if you do food deliveries, that's what they use.
Okay.
Oo.
So, kung may nakastock din yung mga tao.
Yes
pwede
po, we
nila
also
i-
accept donations of jars,
Of bottles,
containers,
yeah.
bottles, and everything na hindi nyo na nagagamit. And we really encourage na for reuse.
Okay.
Makaka-declutter tayo.
Oo,
Nakakatulong siya sa...
naku, ganito yung photo as nandun lang sa loob.
Yeah.
Ayaw,
Opo.
nakatakip lang ng kortina pero alam kong nandun.
Sayang po kasi,
Oo,
diba?
sayang.
It's a waste talaga to
Yeah.
throw it away.
Kasi yung sa market, nagkaroon ng ano sila, di ba? Parang project.
yan po, yes.
Pero
po.
parang
Kinuha
once
din
lang
namin.
nangyari yun.
Opo,
Sa market.
ongoing, it's
Sa palengke.
Yeah po. So, to everyone out there, mga market goers, ang PUST and Bomarva is also collecting containers for reuse in the market.
So,
also
ongoing
Ecobags.
yan.
Yes, it's
Ongoing
it's
pa rin.
ongoing. So, you
Okay.
can drop it off sa Bomarva office or sa PUST office sa Block 4. I think.
Akala ko kasi one time
Yeah.
thing. Buti na.
Yeah, medyo kulang lang sa pero we're encourage din namin kayo to drop off your containers there.
yeah.
Kasi ang gagamit naman yan, mga bibili sa fish section,
Mm.
ayan, for reuse din.
Have you received the special recognition from the local government or any kind of support, for example?
From the local government, none yet.
Talaga.
Okay.
Kasi di ba ma'am, nag-ano ng zero waste, nagpo-promote
Yeah.
ng zero
Yeah.
waste ang natin, mayor's office, di ba?
I think wala pa kasi silang
At saka
mandato
sustainability.
for yung awards, ganun. Unlike sa QC na they do it annually, I think, na they recognize mga businesses.
Oo.
Pero I think the city hasn't started it yet. Kasi,
Yeah.
Sana, kasi yun incentive din yun.
right,
Halimbawa, para sa mga ibang businesses to
Opo,
start,
to go green
Yeah,
talaga.
to go green.
To tag them. Yun nga rin yung
Oo.
long-term plan to really
Mhm.
recognize
Oo.
businesses. Kahit sa market. Kasi may
Oo.
mga, nung we looked around, may mga initiatives din sila,
Mhm.
really. Kailangan lang i-mainstream.
Tsaka kung
Kailangan
someday, mali mo, may
i-recognize.
tax benefits. Yung mga
Oo,
diba,
tax
ano,
break
oo.
na
Kasi
sinasabi.
malaking incentive yun
Opo,
sa to
actually.
push
Yeah.
Right,
businesses.
right. Opo.
Can you point out yung mga what you have in the store na normally wala sa sari-sari store? I mean,
Opo eh.
they have household
Products and everything.
mga personal
right.
care products, but they also have probably pet treats meron sila.
Mas mga alternatives.
So, yeah. And then-
Plastic-free alternatives. Right.
Okay.
And also, kasi usually ang nabibili natin sa sari-sari store, supermarket, mga instant things. So, lalabas na dyan usapin ng food safety. Like, are these really healthy? Like, we eat this, may nakakain tayo, pero is it really good for us? Diba? So, we offer mga healthy options na they can buy in small
Na
quantities.
Hindi ka presyo ng healthy options.
Yes.
Sorry, healthy options.
Yeah.
Pero, di ba? It's
Opo. And they
expensive
can
sa
budget
kanila.
lang talaga, di ba?
Oo.
They can just try it first kung okay sa kanila, di ba?
May nakita
At
pa nga
least.
kami doon yung pasta, di ba? May coconut.
Ah, po, yeah. Mga
Kakaibang
ganyan,
pasta.
coconut.
Iba siya. No?
Mga vegan, mga
Gluten-free,
keto-friendly,
oo.
gluten-free products na at least hindi ka
Mm-mm.
manghihinayang kasi you can just buy talaga as little as you need.
As you
Or-
need,
yeah
oh.
po.
And these are locally made? Like, you
The pasta, yes.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
Manila, pero yeah.
Yeah,
Siguro
yeah.
limited yung
Philippine
quantities
made.
niya, no? Hindi pa sila nagpapamass produce.
Opo,
Limited
talagang
talaga.
handmade, ganun po.
Ah,
Yes po.
Tapos meron din silang loose leaf tea.
Yes
So, knowing na
Yeah.
maraming plastics dun sa napakaliit na
Yeah,
tea
tea
bag.
bags,
tea bag.
oo.
Hmm.
Convenient pero kwan.
Opo.
You're harming
Yung
yourself.
health impact.
Yeah, and mas masarap talaga ang loose leaf tea. Unprocessed
Mas
kasi
potent
yan
siya,
eh. Yes
mas
po,
potent
exactly.
siya. Tapos may herbs and spices sila.
Spices and honey.
Oh,
Yeah,
marami.
honey,
Yeah, anything.
Marami. Makita naman nila mga sa video ng,
Yes.
ng
Oo.
store. So,
And
yeah.
condiments. Yeah.
So, may mga snacks and
May yung ang dami pa yung mga straws na pwede nyo
metal
baon-baonin.
straws. Mm.
Linisin nyo na lang sa bahay, tapos lagyan nyo na sa bag para anytime pupunta kayo ng restaurant.
Dali
May baon na
siya.
kayong straw.
Magmi-milk tea kayo.
Oo, diba? Mm-mm.
I saw pa nga edible kwan eh. Edible
We have
straw.
edible straw. Opo.
Oo, yun
It's
yun.
made of rice naman.
Ah, okay.
Opo. Yun nga yung magandang i-encourage ng mga edible. Alternatives talaga. Kasi lagi nilang sinasabi, sige, kung ibaban man, let's say, ibaban ang certain single-use plastics, anong ipapalit nyo?
Yeah.
Lagi kasi yun yung question.
True.
But we do have options.
Hindi lang alam
You just
na
really have to,
karamihan.
we have to mainstream talaga.
Oo.
Through, policies,
O, diba?
culture policies, sa
Oo.
mga
mga programa,
Yung
gaya
magandang-
ng Utak Verde.
Opo, like this program, which is a
Yeah.
good platform, di ba?
Oo.
To
Okay.
raise awareness and
So, may mga ano din, mga peas, beans, siguro, ano, yung mga
Snacks
ano
talaga,
natin, mga
opo.
snacks. So, may
kung may cravings,
may adobong
hindi
peanut.
Hindi maiwasan na may cravings talaga tayo.
Marami mo, actually, bisitahin nyo lang siya.
Yeah.
Marami kayong makikita. Magugulat kayo, meron sila
Hindi
nang
nyo
hinahanap
kala
ninyo.
nyo, po.
Diba?
True.
So, ano mga, any plans na, although I know, medyo mahal ang space sa Baguio at
Right.
masikip na siya, marami nang may-ari dun sa mga commercial spaces. May,
Ano
may
yung goal
plans ba
talaga?
na
Oo.
Mag-expand
Future,
long-term,
Yeah,
yeah,
long-term
yeah.
plans.
So,
yeah.
actually, ideal setup ng gantong store ay really in communities. So, it's really like to partner with existing sari-sari stores
Yeah.
for them to
Oh, yes.
offer options.
para accessible
Yes.
siya,
Opo,
no?
yes, we have to really make it accessible and we have to make it like normal na hindi na siya something na kailangan mong isipin na kailangan mong
Pagdesisyonan
magdala.
pa.
Opo, right, yeah, that's correct. So parang dapat as normal na punta lang ako sa sari-sari store. Available siya. So that's the long-term goal talaga. It's to make it really accessible. Doon sa mga pinaka nangangailangan. Sa barangay naman.
Yeah. Maganda nga eh. Actually, if this is present sa mga barabarangay natin, probably at the start, it would be
Yeah, it would be difficult
it would be
talagang
difficult to train
adjustment.
the consumers na. But if they have the options and sabi mo nga, what you observe with your clients is they start with one.
yeah.
And then they realize the
Expanded.
benefits. And then
Opo, yeah, we have
they get more
testimonies
products.
dyan
Oo.
na-
So I think that's a very wise plan to integrate it in the local
Existing,
communities.
barangay
Oo.
level.
And partner with existing sari-sari
Yes,
store
po.
na ano. Ang magiging problema kasi nila would be access to suppliers.
Yun po,
So
yeah,
if you
we
are
have to
able
fix
to,
that
yeah,
also.
if you're able to link them with suppliers, I think marami ring tindahan
Reliable.
na
Reliable
reliable
suppliers.
suppliers. Siguro it would have a slow start, but if you get
Eventually
the
talaga.
Good things take time,
Opo,
sabi.
right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Ito, slow but sure.
Yeah.
Kaysa
Oo,
yung...
totoo. Tingnan, gaya
Instant.
to. Isipin mo, 3 years na siya and going strong. No, I'm sure
Opo.
by word of mouth, social
Yes,
media, di ba?
So of all your products here,
Yeah.
ano yung pinaka bestseller?
Right.
Yeah.
So, in terms of bestsellers, yung mga nuts pa talaga namin. Kasi nga, hindi ka makakabili ng 20 pesos worth, di ba, sa
True.
grocery. So, yun, isa yun sa mga bestseller. Kahit estudyante, kahit sino, they can, in a way, afford it, di ba, to buy and try. And also, yung mga loose leaf tea, And sa household naman yan, mga dishwashing, mga essentials din na laging
Mga
ni-replenish.
cleaning,
Opo, mga cleaning products and personal care like shampoo, body wash, yan, mga laging ni-replenish. And of course, mga bigas and
Oo.
opo,
Kasi
yan,
staple yan
sugar,
eh.
opo, yan, mga household, mga pantry essentials ba. Ayan.
Okay, so
Okay.
last last question is yung knowing the challenges that came with building up this
Yeah.
business, yung Tingy Station. How would you encourage others who are thinking of putting up a business to take the sustainability path? Kumbaga.
Yeah. So, to all businesses, business owners, and yung mga gusto pa lang mag-start, I would encourage you to really adopt something na kahit small things. For example, like instead of offering reusables sa in-store, mga simpleng bagay, it would really make a lot of impact, big impact. So, for example, mga coffee shops na kung dine-in, sana wala na yung hindi na naka plastic cups or what. They can
Paper
offer
cups
reusables.
na,
Yeah.
na may wax, diba?
Yes, yes. So, they can offer reusables and also encourage also yung mga customers by giving incentives maybe. So, if they bring their own containers, they bring their own mugs, you can give them, incentives. I mean, hindi siya yung usual, di ba, na nakikita natin kasi nga lahat convenience at nag-rush. Pangambilis kasi masyado
True.
nangyayari, di ba? Everybody's on a rush. Kaya, ayan, mga small things that we can do. And also, actually, sa simpleng pagsisegregate natin sa mga kitchen natin, malaking bagay din. And also, supporting mga local products, locally made products. If we're business owners, syempre gusto natin yung local economy din natin ang i-support.
Oh, kasi maliit ang carbon
Yes,
footprint,
exactly.
diba?
Hindi
Halimbawa,
na
yung
kailangan
suppliers
ship,
mo,
hindi
nandito
na,
lang.
exactly. And yung local economy pa ang tutulungan natin, di ba?
True.
Local
Okay.
brands. Ayan. So, yan, all the small things talaga. Hindi naman kailangan na,
Grande.
oo,
grande.
hindi mo kailangan na as in completely na palitan ang model mo, pero just adopt small things, models.
Na
small,
doable,
yeah, na doable at
practical,
any,
diba? Oo.
na kaya lang natin to start with. And then eventually, di ba? So, yan. Start small.
Alright, so with that, maraming salamat,
Yeah,
LK.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, for,
Thank you for having me.
allowing us and for your time, for sharing your experience to our listeners and viewers out there who are interested to go into sustainable business models. Yeah.
Yung talagang sustainable siya dahil eco-friendly siya, earth-friendly. So, friendly sa human race.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes,
So, long term.
Kasi
Oo.
lahat naman ng resources natin is finite. So, we have to do talaga things to make the most out of anong meron tayo ngayon na resources.
So,
to make it
maximize
sustainable.
natin yung resources.
Yes,
Hindi yung
exactly.
tapon lang, no?
Opo.
Tapon. Although, napaka-easy
Yeah.
magtapon. So,
Oo.
yeah.
Para
So,
nakasanayan natin
so
kasi.
challenge no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a challenge
Yung
talaga
tinatawag na
to
throwaway
everyone.
society. ano?
Yes.
Oo.
True.
So,
Yeah,
yun.
disposable and
So, hanggang sa susunod po, ito po yung Utak Verde signing off.